How to translate message on WhatsApp on your iPhone. First of all, open your WhatsApp, then open the chat that you want to translate the language of. Just like this. Now I want to translate this particular chat right here. So long press on it. Then you'll get to see the option of more. Tap on it. Then tap on translate. So after doing that here, you can get the option of translate from and translate to. Since this is the English language, it has automatically detected English. So in the translate to, if you tap on it, there are multiple options that you can try. For now, I'm going to search for Japanese, select Japanese, and then here you can see there's the requirement of downloads. So all you need to do is tap on the download icon right here, then both of your languages will start downloading. Wait for a few minutes. After the download has been completed, here you can see this is the original message and this is the translated message. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.